Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Honor 7C and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. First we need to press and hold the power button. Then we need to press and hold on the power off option. Right here you will see this warning message. You can read it and then tap OK to confirm. As you can see, our device booted into save mode. It says it right here. Let's unlock our SIM card. And to exit this mode, simply press and hold the power button and tap on restart option. And that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.